third gen Frankenstein engine dynamics. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you some of the third gens that I saw on LS Fest. There's some pretty cool ones, so I'm pretty excited to kind of share them with you. So let's get to the video. Another third gen over here, Autocross. Very cool, very neat color. Dark, almost like a dark burgundy, or oh, it's a really cool dark red. Yeah, very cool. All right, another third gen right here. I believe this is Hunter's. Got the welds on it. Here's the paint job. Super nice. Nice interior. Wow. Very nice, man. This paint is beautiful. I love the well wheels. Nice clean LS, man. Nice clean. Look at that. Very well done, man. Very well done. They did a nice clean swap, man. That looks great. All that. Nice buckets. That's cool. That's really nice wheels. Nice weld. Straight up show car right here.
And then it's, you know, it's got the,
Damn.
it's got the intercooler and the,
That looks nice. Look at the switch panel and all that. Nice seats. It's a nice looking car, man. Look, custom paint. Damn, look at that wing. Very custom, looks very nice. Nice. It's got the battery. Look how nice the taillights look, dude. Wow, custom rear balance right there. A lot of custom stuff. Very nice. Look at the dash and the switch.
or pull a bunch of pins out or two connectors. I should have my safety
Yeah,
this is dry.
it's very, very nice. Wow. Yeah, look at that. And also, look at the fan, how nice that's done. Color match.
Yeah, I think you said you paid like $35.
Got a freaking steam orange.
But then you got to do different things, like, you know, trying to fit the cooler. So I did that, but I had to change this from a straight upright to a...
Yeah, like well, all the business fits.
Yeah. We built this little bracket here. I don't know why, but I actually have a windshield washer container.
Yeah, this thing's awesome.
So it is.
A pretty clean bird here. All nice and clean. Wow. Yeah, man, look at the shine on that thing. That thing looks beautiful. Got an LS in it. AC. A roll cage. Nice roll cage in it. Very nice. They smoking them up out there. Autocross grid is coming through. Third gen all posturing up. Got nicks. Pretty cool. It's clean. Got the track specs. Very nice inside the hood. Very nice, very clean. Paint looks slick, flat. Got the whale wheels. I love these whale wheels too. These things are sweet. Kind of nice. Got the LSX symbol here. Very nice setup here. Oh yeah, got his fire extinguisher right there on the hump. Nice stock looking, beautiful interior. Fire extinguisher on the hump. Very nice. Nick! Thing is sweet. Nice little hood here. Another third gen. I saw him tooling around here. LS. That was uncalled for. Yeah, pretty cool. Nice seats. Harness all set up. Wheels look very cool on this car. Very nice. Yeah, I like it. Got it cut out. Yeah, man, it's cool. All right, got another third gen here. Parked in the car show. Got the chrome rocks on. LS, of course. Oh, that's kind of interesting. It's got like a 6th gen or a 5th gen kind of front grille right there. Oh, that's kind of interesting.
Yeah, you got 4th gen center console on it.
Oh yeah, cool. Yep. Did a little 4th gen console swap. Seats. Yeah, cool. I'll let her breathe. Got another third gen. Another third gen. Looks good. Carbureted. It's good. Got a few third gens here. LS Vest. Got the carburetor. Look at that. Old school. course, we got Tom and Valerie's badass. I mean, this car is sweet, beautiful car. Got the red, got the gold. They run this car and they run it down the track. They have fun with this car. Dragon Lady. Very nice. Got the nice harness, brackets, movable steering wheel. Very cool. Very nice setup. Got the fire extinguisher right there when you need it. And of course, you know I like red and gold. Nice spoiler. Get some downforce back there. Very cool. This thing is amazing. Look at the hood. Got the gold kind of ghosted in there almost, looks like. Man, nice, nice. Very nice. Damn, that's the third gen. Frankenstein engine dynamic. They have some beautiful parts on the other side here. Damn. Beautiful third gen. Damn. Ain't badass. Woo. Pro charger. Thing's sweet. I like that. I like the color. I'm a little partial. Wow. Look at that setup. This car's called Twisted. By Twisted Performance. Don't get it twisted. This thing is scary looking, man. I thought an alien was coming out of this bitch. Damn. Pretty badass. Damn. That's wicked, man. Oh, we got Brian Tooley Racing, nitrous outlet, and HP tuners. Someone's over there. Got some Lucas oil down there. I like the Brian Tooley though. We're gonna go say hi to those guys. Midway here, I guess. This is where all the, this is Summit booth right here. I'm gonna need 3 of them. I'm gonna need 6 of this. I'm gonna need 2 of them. I'm gonna need 6 of these. Gas tanks, I need 4 of them. This is what I'm talking about. If I had a small block Chevy, that's what I would do here. Take the TPI off, bam. Put a cam in it, bam. You're done. That's it. That's what I tell the guy. Damn. This is straight up GM shit right here. GM Performance. This is Chevrolet. Tim got all geared up. He got a Holly sunglasses. Got an LSX hat.
Makes me go faster.
Yeah, man. Looks like 2 o'clock is when they start back up.
Oh, yeah.
Nice setup here. LT1.
Free t-shirts.
Oh.
Just fill out a form. The survey, and I'll give you a t-shirt.
All right.
I'm sorry?
Walk over here and check out. Q81's all up in here represented. Damn, they got a nice spread out here. That's cool. We got the pistol grip shifter in there. That's straight up badass. We on the country cruise now.
Woohoo!
Tim's the pilot. I'm co-pilot.
Hang on.
God help us. right, guys, that's today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. We definitely had a great time seeing all the different third gens. It's always a treat to kind of see those guys. So back home now, and I'm definitely going to be doing that LS Fest every single year. In my next video, I'm actually going to be showing some footage of me as a spectator, a few drag racing events, as well as some cool drifting as well. So that's going to be on the next video, guys.